Discover the future of luxury sailing with the Onyx 10.5, a 35-foot catamaran that pushes the boundaries of design and functionality. This innovative vessel offers an array of unique features that set it apart from the conventional catamarans on the market today. The Onyx 10.5 is engineered for ease and versatility, with flip-up rudders designed for effortless beaching. Powering this dynamic boat is a single Vetus 42 horsepower marine diesel engine. Hydraulic propulsion is used at the sterns for the two propellers. Power is easily supplied by the hydraulic system. Step aboard and experience luxury with two identical double-owner cabins, one in each hull. Both cabins offer ample space and privacy, creating the perfect retreat after a day of sailing. A state-of-the-art galley awaits, equipped with everything you need to prepare gourmet meals whilst at sea. But that's not all. The Onyx 10.5 is packed with innovative design features, like a unique door from the deck leading directly into the cabins. Large panoramic windows surround the living area, flooding the space with natural light and offering breathtaking views from every angle. The windows are expertly designed with a slight inward slope, ensuring a watertight seal and minimizing the risk of leaks. Apart from seating in the aft cockpit, there's a lounging cockpit on the foredeck and a sky lounge on the cockpit roof. Currently under construction, the first Onyx 10.5 is poised to redefine the boating experience. We invite you to visit the factory in Cape Town to see firsthand the craftsmanship and attention to detail that goes into each vessel. If you would like more details and the specifications, or to visit the factory, please contact Angela Collins Yachts. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel.